How to change the country in TikTok with VPN. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the country in TikTok with VPN. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your phone. Then tap on Menu present in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. So, select Language from here. This is in case you want to watch videos in a different language. In Preferred Languages, select those languages which you understand. This will help you get a better experience over here. Another way to change your country in TikTok is to download NordVPN on your phone. For this, go to Safari web browser. Here, open NordVPN. Tap to open it and get it. Last way by which you can change a country in TikTok is to purchase a SIM card of that country. Following these steps, you can change the country in TikTok with VPN. Alternatively, one of the best ways to change your location on your phone or computer is to use a good VPN. They are reliable and will make any website, app, or person think you're in a different location. We highly recommend NordVPN. We have left a link in the video description if you would like to check them out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.